I'm curious, when you're talking to your investor base, are you getting the same sense of bearishness that we're getting in the institutional investor survey? Or do your clients generally, are they a little bit more optimistic about adding to their positions here?
Well, right now, the institutional playbook for clients I work with or investment committees I sit on is let's thoughtfully rebalance with the premise that over the next 2 to 3 years, stocks will still be your best inflation hedge, so that's becoming more challenging. Bonds will not be that case. Rebalance into those stocks that have more believable earnings valuation, believable cash flow that leans to the value side. Gina, for the last year and a half, value stocks have roughly doubled what growth stocks have done based on the major indexes, and there's more room to go.
David, that's an interesting conversation because Gina and I have been talking about where the neutral rate is, and is it lower than it has been historically, or is it higher? And if it is lower, there is some research saying that value would do better, or growth would do better than value, as I get it all wrapped up in my head. How are you thinking about that rotation as you fold in what the neutral rate really is?
Taylor, this is a little like the Red Sox Yankees. You're never going to get the debate exactly right between value and growth. So you need a little bit of both and know when to tilt in one direction. And without talking my book as a portfolio manager in a value leaning mutual fund that I co-manage, I think it's a better value backdrop because you're just getting better prices for the free cash flow that companies are generating. That can be consumer discretionary where I have a good weight. It can also be technology where I have a good weight. But the key is buying the right valuation. Names like Nike, that's having a good day today. That's a larger stock. Marriott hotels to pair up with the Wyndham holding I have. And in tech, names like Accenture that are roughly 25% off its 52-week high, but still doubling its number of bookings.